Okay, so it's August 1st and we're back.
I know. Happy August 1st, everybody.
Yeah, it seems like we haven't been here for a while, but a lot has been happening at our cottage makeover. But first of all, I brought you a present. Yeah.
Oh, no.
It says hello spring.
Well, you're a little late on that because it's like getting toward the end
I
of
know. I have a lot of them, but I wanted you to put it on your fridge. It's a fridge magnet.
And
it's all about marketing, right?
Wait, she also brought me a cookie, but I ate it already.
I know. That's the beauty when you're driving out to Wainfleet and you get hungry. There are no Tim Hortons. I know. Look at it. Isn't that the cutest? And you can put it on your fridge.
I will. Thank
okay.
you so much.
And you'll think of me every time.
20 back there.
Yes. So when you want to sell a house, you'll use Karen Roy. Yeah, that was like kind of really
Good plug, Ken.
what a plug. Okay, and I'm here with
Susan Greco from Susan Greco Interiors.
Yeah, so you can see the cottages in the back, but this is our first day of filming when we haven't had to have an umbrella over our head, right?
I know. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
We had to wait till August for that.
I know, August 1. All right, well, guys, we're going to have a few different segments today because there's lots to show, right?
Yeah, there's lots gone on since our last visit.
Yeah.
Our last visit, it was still empty inside, and we have surprises now.
Yeah, and a few hiccups too, right?
Oh, yeah, well, many of them, unfortunately.
But that's kind of the way it goes, right?
It's real life renovation.
Yeah.
It's not, a half an hour show or an hour show.
Yeah.
It's
real life. Yeah.
And it really does take this long.
Yeah. When did you start the project?
Oh my, they got it in March.
Okay.
I can't even remember. At least April, May.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it is real life and things happen.
Well,
timelines are different, right?
Things happen. You have to discuss the finances because things happen. So you have to, can we do it? Can we not do it?
Yeah.
And yeah. So, their home closed in between. So
yeah.
You have something there. I don't know what that is.
That's all good.
So anyways, yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. Well, we are going to continue on, but it's so beautiful here, and there's all sorts of geese coming down. So I think I'll do a little flip of the camera.
Yeah, you have to.
And we'll just show it that way too. Okay, stay tuned.